Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can install application on your iPhone. So you can tap on App Store to open it, and after open the App Store, you are just going to select the apps or games, or you can search in the trending today, and then you can select search to search the application that you want to install. Okay, for example, I want to install it, and just click get. So appears you have to enter your password with Touch ID, or just enter the password. Okay, after you are done, as you can see, this is processing the installing the apps. So just wait. After finish, the apps and will appear on your screen. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Bye.